Title: A conversation about mental health between two friends. Two friends, Sam and Ryan, are sitting on a park bench enjoying the fresh air. Sam seems a little quiet, and Ryan notices. Ryan: Hey, Sam, you've been a bit quiet today. Is everything okay? Sam: I don't know, man. Lately, I've been feeling really overwhelmed, and I can't seem to shake it off. Ryan: I get that. Life can be a lot sometimes. Want to talk about what's on your mind? Sam: I guess it's just work, responsibilities, and everything piling up. I feel like no matter how hard I try, I'm always behind. Ryan: That sounds really tough. It's completely okay to feel this way. Have you been getting enough rest? Sam: Not really. My mind keeps racing at night, thinking about all the things I need to do. Ryan: That sounds exhausting. Maybe taking a break could help? Sometimes stepping away for a bit clears the mind. Sam: I've thought about it, but I feel guilty when I take time for myself. Like I should be doing something productive. Ryan: I get it, but taking care of yourself is productive too. Your mental health matters just as much as your work. Sam: I know, but I don't even know where to start. Ryan: Maybe start small. Try journaling, going for a walk, or just talking to someone when things feel heavy. Sam: Talking does help. Like right now, I actually feel a little better. Ryan: I'm really glad to hear that. You don't have to go through this alone, you know? Sam: Yeah, but sometimes I feel like I'd just be bothering people with my problems. Ryan: You're not a bother, Sam. True friends care, and I'd rather you talk to me than keep it all inside. Sam: Thanks, Ryan. I really appreciate you checking in. Ryan: Of course, I care about you, man. Have you thought about talking to a therapist? Sam: I have, but I don't know where to start. Ryan: I could help you look for one if you want. Therapy isn't just for when things are really bad. It's like having a guide for your thoughts. Sam: That actually makes sense. Maybe I should give it a try. Ryan: That's a great step. And in the meantime, don't forget the little things that make you happy. Music, hobbies, even just a good meal. Sam: Yeah, I haven't been doing much of that lately. Maybe I should start again. Ryan: Definitely. And if you ever need to talk, I'm always here. No judgment, just support. Sam: That means a lot, Ryan. I'll try to be kinder to myself. Ryan: That's the spirit. One step at a time, okay? Sam: One step at a time. Thanks again, man. Ryan: Anytime. Now, how about we grab some food? I heard there's a new cafe nearby. Sam: Sounds like a plan. Let's go.